In the question above, we are to determine the mass of iron melter that will be used from 80 kg of ore. So in the ore containing iron 3 oxide, we are given the percentage composition of iron 3 oxide in the ore. Before we can determine the mass of iron melter, we need to know the mass of iron 3 oxide itself. So from there we'll proceed to determine the mass of iron melter in the ore. So we say equals 70% of 80 kg. Calculating this, we have 56. So the unit in kilogram. So we've gotten the mass of iron 3 oxide. So the next thing now is to determine the theoretical yield of iron melter. So to know that, so say theoretical yield of iron melter will be equal to the mass of iron melter divided by the molar mass of iron 3 oxide multiplied by the mass of iron 3 oxide that we've calculated in the ore. So from here, we do not know the molar mass of iron 3 oxide. We do not know the mass of iron melter itself, but we've gotten the mass of iron 3 oxide in the ore. So before we proceed now, let's calculate the molar mass of iron 3 oxide and the mass of iron melter. For iron melter, we have 2 atoms present, and the atomic mass of iron is 56. So that will be 2 multiplied by 56, and which is equivalent to 112 grams. So for molar mass of iron 3 oxide, that will be sum of the atomic masses of each of the elements present. That will be 2 multiplied by 56 plus 3 multiplied by 16. So we have that to be 112 plus 48, which is equal to 160 grams. After calculating the value of the mass of iron, and we've gotten the molar mass of iron 3 oxide, the next thing is to substitute the values in the formula written above. The theoretical yield of iron in the iron ore will then be equal to the mass of iron, that's 112, divided by the molar mass, 160 grams, multiplied by the mass we've calculated earlier from the question, which is 56 kg. In calculating this, we have 39.2 kg, and this will be serving as the final answer. So with this, we've come to the end of the solution to the question, and we've gotten the mass of iron melter, which can be theoretically obtained from 80 kg of the ore to be 39.2 kg. Do well to subscribe for more if you find this video helpful.